Not every walnut pairing is beneficial. Some might actually work against your well-being. Stick around to learn which food combinations you should steer clear of when enjoying walnuts. Although walnuts are often praised as a superfood, there's more to the story. Guided by Dr. Barbara O'Neill, you'll explore the science behind perfect walnut pairings. Her research shows which food combinations boost nutrient absorption and which may hinder your health. Join us as we uncover smarter eating habits with her expert insights. They're bursting with nutrients that support cognitive function, promote a healthy heart, and combat inflammation. Walnuts have become a dietary staple, celebrated for their natural omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. But did you know that if you consume walnuts incorrectly, they could potentially harm your body? Even these nutrient-dense nuts can pose risks when combined with certain other foods. These unfavorable combinations may undermine your health, potentially causing issues like poor digestion, reduced nutrient absorption, and even playing a role in long-term conditions such as cancer and dementia. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 3 worst foods to mix with walnuts, ones you should avoid at all costs, and also highlight 3 ideal foods to pair with walnuts that boost their health benefits. From enhancing brain performance and easing inflammation to giving you an energy lift, these pairings can dramatically influence how walnuts work in your body. Let's jump right in. But before we get started, I'd love to know, where are you tuning in from? Drop your location in the comments and feel free to ask any questions you have. Worst pairing 1. Apples. First off, apples turn out to be the worst match for walnuts. Many of us mix nuts and apples for a breakfast that seems nutritionally sound, yet the reality is different. We often pick foods that promote youth and anti-aging, but we sometimes overlook a critical element, vitamin E. This vitamin is essential because it allows cells to save up to 43% of the oxygen they need, thereby preventing the free radicals that speed up cellular aging. For staying youthful, getting enough vitamin E is crucial. It not only keeps cells vibrant, but also helps maintain blood vessel elasticity and safeguards red blood cells. Moreover, it supports platelets that rush to mend wounds and fend off infections. Interestingly, walnuts are the top nut when it comes to vitamin E content, boasting levels 15 times higher than other nuts. Meanwhile, apples, famed as vitamin kings, are loaded with vitamins B and C, great for antioxidants and energy. But here's the catch. Ever felt bloated after combining apples and nuts, despite knowing they're both good for you? That's because they digest at different speeds. When slow-digesting walnuts mix with fast-digesting apples, gas forms during digestion, leading to bloating and discomfort. It's wiser to enjoy them separately. Next up, let's talk about an ideal partner for walnuts tomatoes. Earlier, we touched on the antioxidant power of walnuts, but what's even more impressive is their ability to reduce inflammation and stop harmful cells from spreading. Ask yourself, why is managing your vascular health and cholesterol so vital? High levels of bad cholesterol can clog your blood vessels, cutting off the supply of nutrients and oxygen to your organs. This not only increases the risk of arteriosclerosis, strokes, and heart disease, but also may fuel the growth of harmful cells. Recent research from Duke University in the USA even links cholesterol to the metastasis and recurrence of disease. Despite aggressive treatments, harmful cells can thrive on cholesterol. This makes it essential to consume foods that lower or eliminate excess cholesterol. Think of it this way. If you get a grease stain on your clothes, you need a grease-cutting solution to clean it. Similarly, only healthy fats can help clear the cholesterol grease in your blood vessels. That's where walnuts shine. Rich in unsaturated fatty acids like omega-3, walnuts help clear out cholesterol buildup. There's another food that works in a very similar way, tomatoes. The lycopene in tomatoes, a fat-soluble pigment, needs healthy fats for optimal absorption, making the walnut-tomato combo a natural match that amplifies benefits. So, consider a tomato salad tossed with walnuts, or even a simple morning snack of tomato slices and walnuts. Worst pairing 2. Anchovies. Moving on, another food to avoid mixing with walnuts is anchovies. It might come as a surprise since many of us enjoy adding a variety of nuts, including walnuts, to sautéed anchovies. Moving on, another food to avoid mixing with walnuts is anchovies. It might come as a surprise since many of us enjoy adding a variety of nuts, including walnuts, to sautéed anchovies. While the flavor combination may be appealing, it doesn't deliver on nutritional benefits. Anchovies are incredibly high in calcium, earning them the title of King of Calcium, with levels over 10 times higher than other fish and 5 times that of milk. Calcium is crucial for building strong bones and maintaining bone density. However, as we age, our ability to absorb calcium diminishes significantly. No matter how much calcium you eat, if your body can't absorb it, it's of little use. Should you then rely on calcium supplements? Not exactly. Excessive supplements can cause poor circulation and heighten the risk of kidney stones and heart issues due to ineffective absorption. It's best to get calcium from a balanced diet featuring natural foods like anchovies, whose edible bones make them an excellent source. The issue arises when walnuts enter the mix. Walnuts contain folic acid, which interferes with calcium absorption by binding with the calcium in anchovies and forming insoluble complexes in your intestines. Consequently, the calcium is excreted rather than absorbed, nullifying the nutritional benefits of the anchovies. Thus, it's better to consume anchovies and walnuts at different times to fully enjoy each food's nutritional perks. Best pairing 2. Red beans. The second top-notch match for walnuts is red beans. When you think of walnuts, you might picture a warm, sweet walnut pastry. A treat that's not only delicious, but also great for your health. We know walnuts are fantastic for brain health, but do you know why they're especially effective in warding off serious neurological issues? Walnuts are rich in unsaturated fatty acids, including omega-3 and alpha-linolenic acid, the latter constituting about 60% of your brain's neural cell structure. Eating walnuts essentially feeds your brain's building blocks, helping to prevent nerve cell damage and enhance their activity, which keeps your brain youthful and sharp. In fact, walnuts boost the hippocampus, the brain's memory center, making them outstanding for improving logical thinking and reasoning. But here's where red beans step in. No matter how much you strengthen your brain cells, if the vessels supplying them are clogged with toxins, the benefits are lost. Excessive heat around the head and scalp can also be problematic. Red beans, known for their cooling properties and ability to flush out waste, come to the rescue. Notice the foam when you boil red beans. That's saponin, an antioxidant similar to components found in ginseng, and it's abundant in red beans. When combined with walnuts, red beans help dissipate heat and toxins around your head and chest, ensuring walnuts' brain-boosting benefits reach your neural cells effectively. Moreover, red beans are one of the richest sources of vitamin B1, the brain vitamin, which perfectly complements walnuts. Worst pairing 3. Milk. Finally, let's address the worst food pairing with walnuts, milk. Milk. Walnuts offer plenty of vitamins B and E along with essential minerals, yet they're lacking in protein. You might assume that combining them with milk is a smart idea, but it's actually more advantageous to pair walnuts with red beans or soybeans. Why should milk be avoided with walnuts? As mentioned earlier, walnuts contain an antinutrient called phytic acid, a natural compound evolved to protect the plant, which can interfere with nutrient absorption and upset digestion when combined with other foods. Specifically, when the phytic acid in walnuts meets the casein protein in milk, they clump together, causing digestive discomfort. Furthermore, this reaction blocks calcium absorption, essentially negating the benefits of milk's calcium content. So, despite the apparent health benefits, mixing milk with walnuts becomes counterproductive. There are two solutions to this dilemma. One option is to boil walnuts before eating them. Boiling not only softens the walnuts, making them easier to digest, but it also reduces the activity of phytic acid, allowing better calcium absorption from milk. Also, the manganese in walnuts, essential for building strong bones, helps counter concerns like osteoporosis when paired with milk. This method creates a synergistic diet ideal for bone health. Alternatively, if boiling isn't appealing, you can limit yourself to 5 or 6 walnuts with your milk. Or you might opt for soy milk or another dairy alternative, which works just as well. Best pairing: 3 bananas. Lastly, the final recommended pairing for walnuts is bananas. Although it might seem unconventional, the combination of walnuts and bananas has become a popular energy-boosting duo. Enjoy them together in the morning or blend them into a smoothie. The benefits are impressive. Bananas are well regarded in many diets for their high fiber content, which keeps you feeling full for longer periods. Beyond fiber, bananas are loaded with potassium and magnesium, which are quickly absorbed by your muscles to replenish energy. The potassium in bananas also helps flush sodium from the body, and when combined with the vascular cleansing properties of walnuts, the result is a powerful nutritional synergy. Additionally, magnesium in bananas can help relieve depression and boost mood, a benefit that pairs nicely with walnuts' vitamin B content, known for reducing fatigue and promoting gut health through prebiotic effects. The unsaturated fatty acids in walnuts further stimulate nerve fibers linking the gut and brain, playing a key role in preventing depression and supporting mental health. So for both physical and mental energy, pairing bananas with walnuts is a win-win. In conclusion, walnuts can be a phenomenal addition to your diet when paired correctly. Avoid detrimental combinations like apples, anchovies, and milk, and instead opt for tomatoes, red beans, or bananas to fully harness their incredible health benefits. If you found these insights helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and share your favorite walnut recipes in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.